Hi friends, welcome to Tech World, and in this video we will be discussing how we can take a remote connection in Windows 10 operating system. So I have two systems. One is this laptop which I am working right now, and I have another desktop which has Windows 8.1 installed in it. So in this video we will be discussing how we can connect from this laptop which is Windows 10 to the desktop which is Windows 8.1. So both are connected to a same network with the help of Wi-Fi. So we can take a remote connection between both the systems, and we can transfer the data, and we can also work on the other system. So the basic need for the remote connection is that I have a desktop system in my home, and I also have a laptop which I am using right now. So the laptop gives you a freedom to work from anywhere, and a desktop you need to sit in one place and you have to work there. So in order to work in the desktop system through the laptop, I can use the remote desktop connection, and I can access my desktop. My desktop is more powerful than my laptop, so I can access the desktop through the laptop while not sitting in front of the desktop. And so this give me a bit of flexibility, and I can access the desktop through my laptop, and I can perform the task in my desktop with the help of my laptop. There are other uses as well. You can use it in the networking, and you can run as a server. Suppose I have a server system installed in my home, and I want to access the server through my laptop, and I want to check all the processes are working fine in my server, so I can connect this laptop to the server with the help of remote desktop connection, and I can perform all the tasks in my server as well. So this is the tutorial. So we'll be checking out how we can connect through one system to another through the remote desktop connection in Windows 10. Request you to please watch the complete video till the end so that you can get the idea how we can connect from Windows 10 to Windows 8.1. So guys, this is my desktop system, and I need to take the remote from my laptop to this desktop system. So I need to configure some settings in this desktop system so that I can take the remote connection from the laptop which is Windows 10.1. So right now I configure some settings here so that we can take the remote connection. So what we will do is we will right click on this PC, and we will go to the properties here. So guys, this desktop name is desktop PC, as you can see here. So we need to go to the advanced system settings from here, and we will go to the remote option here, and we will click all these options like allow remote assistant connection to this computer, and also I need to allow here as well. And so I'm checking all these options, and I will do it okay. And now I will go to my laptop, and from there I will configure the remote desktop connection. So I'm now in my laptop system, and I have opened up the remote desktop connection settings, and I have entered the computer name which is the computer name of the desktop, and I will enter the username here. So I will click on connect. So now I need to enter the password which is the password for the desktop. So I'll enter the password here, and I will click on OK. So friends, after clicking on OK, we receive this screen here. So we need to click on yes here. So we will then proceed to the remote desktop connection. So I'll click on yes here. So as you can see, now I can access my desktop through my Windows 10 laptop here, and you can see this is my Windows 10 laptop system, and from here I can access this desktop system. So you can also access the server or any high-end device for which you want to use. So in this way we can connect with the help of remote desktop connection. So if we have multiple system in our LAN, and we don't want to go to each and every PC to do some settings or to run some processes or to run some task, what we can do is we can use this remote desktop functionality, and how we can establish a remote desktop connection. Now I will just try to copy paste a file from my laptop to this desktop system through the remote connection. Here I go. So this is a text document, so I'll try to copy paste here in the desktop system. So as you can see, it is getting copy pasted. So in this way you can use your system and you can perform the task on the system while remaining on your primary system, that in my case is this laptop, Windows 10 laptop. So this was the video on how to connect through the remote desktop connection. Wish you liked the video, and request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive all the notification of all my latest videos. So thank you for watching Tech World. Have a great day.